The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 is an impressive piece of engineering that combines functionality, power, and design, making it a standout option in the crowded e-bike market. From its robust construction to its powerful motor, the Ranger 2.0 is tailored for both leisurely rides and challenging terrains. Here's a comprehensive look at what makes this electric bike a worthy investment. To begin with, the motor is a key feature of the Ranger 2.0. Featuring a peak 1400W motor, this e-bike delivers exceptional performance. Riders can experience speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it one of the faster options available for adult electric bikes. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a scenic route through the countryside, the power behind the Ranger 2.0 offers a thrilling ride. The bike's ability to tackle hills and rough terrain effortlessly is particularly noteworthy. The motor provides the necessary torque to conquer inclines without leaving the rider fatigued. What's more impressive is the bike's battery life. The Ranger 2.0 is equipped with a removable 48V20A lithium-ion battery that can take you up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode you select and your weight. This range is ideal for longer commutes or weekend adventures, ensuring you won't be left stranded mid-ride. The ability to charge the battery at home or on the go adds an extra layer of convenience, as you don't need to worry about bringing the bike to a charging station. The bike's design also deserves special mention. With a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, the Ranger 2.0 is built to last. The frame is lightweight yet durable, enhancing the bike's overall handling and performance. Riders will appreciate the comfortable geometry, allowing for a more relaxed riding position. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure that riders of all heights can find their ideal setup, making it a versatile choice for families sharing the bike. Comfort is further enhanced by the bike's 20-inch fat tires. These wide, puncture-resistant tires provide excellent traction and stability, whether you're riding on pavement, gravel, or packed dirt. The suspension fork adds another layer of comfort, absorbing shocks and bumps along the way. This combination of features makes the Ranger 2.0 an excellent option for those who want an all-terrain e-bike that can handle various surfaces without compromising on comfort. Safety is also a priority with the Ranger 2.0. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in different weather conditions. The integrated LED lights increase visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring that you can ride safely no matter the time of day. Additionally, the reflective strips on the tires enhance safety by making the bike more visible to other road users. One of the standout features of the Ranger 2.0 is its versatility. It comes with 3 riding modes: electric, assisted, and traditional cycling. This means you can choose how much effort you want to exert while riding. If you're looking for a workout, the traditional mode allows you to pedal like a conventional bike. On the other hand, if you need a quick boost, the electric mode can get you up to speed in no time. This adaptability makes the Ranger 2.0 suitable for different riding preferences and fitness levels. Assembly is another factor worth discussing. The Ranger 2.0 arrives mostly pre-assembled, requiring only a few final adjustments. Heybike provides a detailed instruction manual, making the setup process straightforward for those who might be new to bike assembly. Most riders should be able to get up and running in less than an hour. While the Ranger 2.0 has many commendable features, it's worth mentioning a few potential drawbacks. Some users may find the bike's weight, at approximately 70 pounds, somewhat cumbersome for manual lifting or transporting. Additionally, despite its impressive battery life, charging time can take around 6 to 8 hours, which may seem lengthy for those needing a quick turnaround. In conclusion, the Heybike Electric